Welcome back to Session 16 of GED Geometry Review. Last time, we found the hypotenuse. Now we flip it around. When you already know the hypotenuse and one leg, you can find the missing leg by subtracting the squares. Here is the rule. The missing leg equals the square root of the hypotenuse squared minus the known leg squared. The key difference from before, because the hypotenuse is already known, we subtract instead of add. Let's find a missing leg. The hypotenuse is 13 and one leg is 5. 13 squared is 169. 5 squared is 25. Subtract. 169 minus 25 is 144. The square root of that is 12. Your turn to follow. Hypotenuse 10. One leg 6. 10 squared is 100. 6 squared is 36. 100 minus 36 is 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. Diagonals are a hidden right triangle problem. The diagonal of a rectangle splits it into two right triangles, with the length and width as the legs. For a 3x4 rectangle, the diagonal is the square root of 9 plus 16, which is 5. The main mistake is adding the squares when the hypotenuse is already known. If you are given the hypotenuse and hunting for a leg, you subtract. Adding is only for finding the hypotenuse itself. Quick check. A right triangle has hypotenuse 10 and one leg 6. What is the other leg? Subtract. The square root of 100 minus 36, which is the square root of 64, or 8. To recap, hypotenuse equals add the squares, a missing leg equals subtract the squares. And remember, a rectangle's diagonal is always a hypotenuse. Take the square root at the end. Great work. Practice a few missing legs and diagonals, and I'll see you in the next session.